to two questions, 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I wish you all the best. They arrived at the airport just in time for their flight. He was accused of stealing money from the bank. They arrived at the conclusion that the project was feasible. The results will depend on several factors. The company is known for its innovative products. The team is working under a tight deadline. She has a talent for music and art. The meeting was held at the conference room. The conference will take place at the university campus. He is skilled at public speaking. She is a master of negotiation and conflict resolution. The package was sent by express delivery. She read the book on the train. We met at the coffee shop. The store is located on Main Street. traveled by bus. We will arrive at the airport at 5 p.m. He is waiting at the bus stop. The cat jumped off the chair. The hotel is situated by the riverbank. Congratulations! What is your score? Comment below, like and subscribe for more.